frisbee. There's a frisbee golf. I'm not sure, I never tried that one. Once again, boys and girls, 702 from Las Vegas to you. David here, down in Phoenix on another road trip, and I got a hotel review for you. I actually got 2 rooms, a bonus today. I got 2 rooms, so I'm gonna share this with you. Nice hotel, it's called Three Palms here in Scottsdale, Arizona. I am here to catch a Bears game coming up tomorrow. The Bears against the Cardinals. It is Saturday, September 22nd. A little warm, it's about 102, 104 out here. Beautiful sunset coming up. Got some white clouds in the blue sky. Arizona's a beautiful state. Phoenix is a great town, so excited to be here. But let's get to the room tour. Here we go. Room 117. All right, boys and girls. Not the biggest room in the world, but it's a nice room. Once again, this is the Three Palms here in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is just the spa room. It's got a jacuzzi. It's got a king bed. Very nice. So here we are in the spa room. It's an upgraded room. The only difference with this room is it has the jacuzzi. King bed. Decent AC, it's working pretty good. Nice sized TV. I think we got a fridge down here. There you go. Safe. Microwave. There you go, little mini fridge. We got it all. Got a little workstation right here. I love having the plugs on the outside of the lamp so it's easy to plug things in. Let's turn on some light. Push the button. There we go. And this, of course, is what everyone wants. The jacuzzi tub. Fun, fun, fun. Using my new gimbal here, having some issues. Sorry. There we go. Jacuzzi tub. It's a small bathroom. Big enough though. Decent lighting. Got a little closet area there, some drawers. Full-length mirror right here for the ladies. And then we also got the bathtub. I'm sorry, just a shower and a toilet. But all in all, it's a decent room. It's got what you need. Pretty cheap too. I think this was $75 tonight. So, not too bad. So, here we go. This is the spa room. Next up, we got a king suite. I'm gonna take you over and show you that one right now. Doing another room tour for you tonight. Behind me is the room. Today we got a, what's it called? It is called the King Suite. 2 rooms put together. It's really, really nice. Room 125. Let's check it out. All right. Glasses off. Alright, so this is basically a suite. So on this side we have the couches. Not sure, let's see if it's a sleeper couch. Let's see if it's a sleeper couch. It is a sleeper couch. There you go. It is a sleeper couch. Awesome. Sleeper couch, got your AC unit out here. Desk right there. Once again, nice size TV. No microwave in this one though. Maybe that's probably on the other side. So we got a larger safe. And no fridge on this side, but I bet you there's one on the other side. So the difference between these rooms is this one does not have the jacuzzi, and it's here on this side. It does have a desk. Once again, nice work desk. Turn the light. I love when they have the power chargers on the outside there for you. Little workstation. It's got one bathroom right here, same bathroom. Nice lighting. Same dressers. Same full-length mirror. Shower. Toilet. This one's got a tub combo. The other one had just a walk-in shower kind of thing. So this one's got the tub combo. So there you go. And then what separates this one right here is it has an adjoining room. And in this room, you have your bed. Separate entrance. It's got a door as well. AC unit too. Let's double check over here. There's your mini fridge. There's your microwave. Check that out. Big dresser. Big TV. Got some college football going on. I need to get some game on. Nice bed. I stayed here before. These are really, really nice beds. So, great bed. We got a second bathroom. And there you go. This one's got a tub as well with a shower and a toilet. But then look at this. Ooh, this jacuzzi. This one has a jacuzzi too. Good sized jacuzzi. A little extra space here. I like how it's kind of in this little room here. Surrounded by mirrors. That is a little on the, kinky side. So, there you go. This is the King Suite. With a spa. It's got it all, boys and girls. 3 Palms, Scottsdale, Arizona. And, it'll do the trick. I believe this one, well, actually I got the free upgrade. This one I think was $85. So, there you have it. Very nice rooms. It will do. Once again, I'm here. Catch the Bears this weekend. Bears against the Cardinals tomorrow. And I'm excited. After that, oh, this is going to be cool. I am going up to Sedona. 2 nights in Sedona. I'm going to travel up to the Grand Canyon. Going to take some pictures. Going to get some awesome video. Going to upload that to YouTube soon. So once again, keep smashing that subscribe button. Keep liking my videos. It's been a pleasure. I have a lot of fun doing this, and I'm really looking forward to getting to Sedona, Flagstaff, and the Grand Canyon. It should be amazing. David with 702 from Las Vegas to you. Goodbye.